Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and the Files app so you can track recent transfers immediately. Once done, use Settings Search to find Quick Share or Nearby Share. This saves time versus browsing menus. Make sure the feature is enabled, otherwise there will be no history to view. Then open the File Manager and tap the Recent or Transfers folder because Quick Share writes received files there. This gives you the first visual record of what was shared. Now you dig into the middle steps. In Files, switch to Recent or Downloads and sort by date so the newest transfers appear first. If your Vivo has a dedicated Quick Share folder, open it. Otherwise, inspect the General Downloads folder because Quick Share often drops files there. Tap a file, then choose Details or Info to confirm when it arrived and which app handled it. This helps you verify sender details and file types without guessing. Finish by confirming each file opens correctly and checking its details for the origin and time. That gives you a clear history. If you find no records, toggle Quick Share off and back on, then perform a small test transfer. Sometimes the service needs a restart. If problems persist, clear the File Manager cache or update system apps and firmware because outdated components can block history logging. Finally, make sure storage permissions are granted so Quick Share can write received files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.